This box has been banging around the back of our truck all summer. It's about time we crack these babies open and see what we've got, because we've got an uneven trailer and we've got brand new beach lane levelers. Bring it on in. If you're at all familiar with the regular beach lane levelers, they are pretty fantastic. We have a pair ourselves. This new set, however, you can do a stackable set. So you can do small, you can do big, you can combine them for extra big. It's pretty wicked. They're a heck of a lot lighter than the old ones are. Like, you can just lift these around, no problem. The other ones were heavy. These have these holes. Awesome. There's two different lengths. So when they ask you if you want short or long, we want short because our wheelbase is short. We don't have the wide traction stability, you name it. If you do, you're gonna want the longer ones because they're better. But for right now, we've got these guys and we're gonna try them out. I don't think we need both, the small and the large, but I think I'm still gonna do it. You still get the rubber pads like you're used to with the old ones, but this one comes with a carrying case, so you can stick these in your pass-through. Look at that. It's got some nice zippers. It's got some Velcro. I love it. These are head and shoulders above the last set that we had, and I can't wait to make sure that these work awesome because we are not level. Alrighty, so I'm going backwards, so that obviously makes a difference. Know which way you're gonna go before you put all the stuff down. So I'm putting it behind the tires. Then all you gotta do is take these, give them like a nice shove in there. But this one is gonna be a little awkward because it's almost resting on our back tire, but not quite. There's that much room. But when I start backing up, it's gonna immediately miss it. So this is where I get in the truck and my darling assistant wife films it from here. Hopefully we can do this and become level. There's only two of us, so we gotta film it, we gotta drive it, and make it level all in one go. So stay tuned.
Good? Nope, not quite. Guess we are getting out the second set. So we do have a little bit more to go, just a hair. We're gonna try and see if we can't get it leveled without putting extra blocks in. We're off just a little. Oops. And here he comes. Good, stop! That looks dangerous to me. Ooh. All right, so I don't like how that looks, so he's gonna stick it in neutral and just kind of roll forward just a little bit. But we are considerably level. There you go. Well, that's much better. And then once we put the slide outs out, that'll probably line right up. If that's a new tip for you, using the slide outs as a counterweight has helped us level many, many times.
And also don't forget, once you get them in, you got to put the blockers, the stoppers, whatever you want to call them.
Chalk blocks.
There you go, right there. They're not chalk blocks because these aren't going to stop your tires from rolling. If you can find a way to get those chalked, you got to do at least one side. But anyway, once those suckers are in there, you're not going to roll back forward and lose the height that you just got for yourself. So that's easy as it is. I mean, obviously, when you do it, you're not going to be filming it, so you'll have your point person watching your level while you're driving, or vice versa if you want to do it and have the other person drive. But piece of cake. I mean, it really takes simple minutes, and they're cheaper, I think, than the other brand, the red ones. Like I said, they're lighter. They're so light. They come with a carrying case now. Wish they had these when we bought our first set, because then we wouldn't have two sets.
The added bonus of having this rattling around in our truck all summer is it's all beat up and going to be perfect for fire starter. and spotting to make sure we don't hit the box, except for we already measured, so I don't know what my point is here, but makes Kevin feel better. Yeah, it's about done. Okay, so now the slides are out. Let me see. All right, maybe it's off a hair, but totally livable for the weekend. We're only here for 2 days. And it's really darn close. Without the slides, it was off a little bit. Once we put the slides out, it levels right up. We've used that trick more than once this season.